Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be showing you my August favorites. These are just the products I've been so in love with this month, and I have a good amount. I don't buy new products all the time, but actually I lie. This last month I've been shopping a little here, a little there. So I'm going to make a haul for you guys, show you all the new stuff I've got. But I'm still waiting for things to get here. But when I have them all, be prepared for either one big haul or several tiny little hauls. What would you prefer? Tiny little hauls or big haul? Let me know in the comments below. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. So the first thing I have been loving this month is clear glosses, or I say last month because August was last month. It's now September, and there have been two clear glosses that I've been loving a lot. So the first one is this anyways, the first one is this e.l.f. clear gloss, and I actually got this as a free gift when I had bought stuff from e.l.f. like a long time back, and I really like it. It's so just glossy on the lips. I could swatch for you, but I don't know how much a clear gloss swatch will do. And yeah, this is what I use when I want something like super glossy, or to like add on top of a lipstick to make it glossier. Now if I'm just wearing a clear gloss on its own, I definitely do use this from time to time, but the other one that I love a lot is the Rimmel one. And I like this one because it's not as glossy. It's just like a nice just sheen. Okay, they look the same. I'm not even going to show you. It literally looks the same. But this one's not as glossy as the e.l.f. one, which I really like when I just want it by itself for like those no makeup days. Next product I have are these other glosses from La Senza, believe it or not. I wasn't even planning on going in there, but then they have like that wheel thing on the outside, and it's like you spin it and you get like a discount. And let's just say it lured me in. It worked too well. And I got these two glosses because they're on sale and they're each $3. They have no names. Okay, anyways, I got the pink one and I got the purple one. And the pink one, honestly, I thought I would like this one more than the purple one. You can see that right there. They smell like candy. Yeah, that's exactly what it smells like, candy. And the pink one has a little bit of glitter in it. You can't really see it too much, but I can like feel it. It's a little, just a tiny bit gritty. The purple one has none, and it's not very purple. It has like a slight hint of purple, but it's honestly the more wearable color of the two. But they're both really wearable. Just whatever you're going for that day. I really like both of them. So yeah, I guess August was a very glossy month because that's all I have for lip products, and all four of them were glossy. The concealer that I have been loving this month is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have it in the shade Cafe, and this is a nice glowy concealer. So if you don't want like that super matte, you want something with a little more natural glow in it, I would definitely suggest this. It has a good medium to full coverage, and it's buildable, so that's really nice. And yeah, I've also been loving LA Girl Pro Matte foundation, and I've had it for a while, but I've been using it even more last month, and every time I go back to it, my skin looks so just like flawless and smooth. It's what I'm wearing right now. I just really enjoy this, and it's a nice full coverage foundation. And yeah, that's all I have to say about that. As far as it comes to primer, I've been really liking the Smashbox one. So this is their Photo Finish primer. It's an older primer to them. It's oil free, and I think at first I did not like these sort of like silicone based primers because I was using them all over my face and like I felt. But like this one, I actually don't mind it. It's not too bad. Some are just so silicone that they just, ugh. Feels like your makeup is sliding off. Feels weird on the skin. I don't like it. This one I can handle. I don't use this all over my face. I just use this like in my T-zone and my nose. It really does just smooth up the skin and fill in all the pores, and just helps to make that even more flawless face. A setting powder that I've been really liking that I got in my Ipsy bag is this Laura Mercier powder. And why did I have to like this? Because now when I want to buy another one, it's going to be so expensive. This stuff is cheap for the full size, but I really like it. It's really good. So I do understand why it's such like a hyped up product, because it works so good and it looks so smooth on the skin. I'm also wearing that today and I just really like it. For highlights, I have two. I'm going to start with the steel one. So this one I got as a gift for Christmas, and I got it from Clarice, also just Clarice on YouTube. And it's just this really pretty highlight. It's like a nice natural glow. It feels so soft. And honestly, like, it's just beautiful. It just looks beautiful on the skin. Has a little bit of glitter in it, but not too much. And it looks very subtle. It's not what I'm wearing today. But I really like this. And it has a nice mirror in there. Can't go wrong with a mirror. I also have this highlight palette from Pixie. And I actually do have this on my face today. I'm wearing this top shade here and this shade in the middle on the bottom. And it's in collaboration with Dulce Candy. I hope I said your name right. If I didn't, I'm sorry. And it's their Sweet Glow highlight palette. And this is so stunning. It's just metallic on the cheeks. And it's so intense without looking glittery or chunky. It's just like smoothness. So a brush that I've been using a lot this month is this one from Dollarama, believe it or not, and it came in a pack of 3. I did not care for the other 2 brushes, and it was like a $4 pack, but I was like, I had been looking for an angled brush for so long that was just nice and tiny, not for my eyes, believe it or not, even though this is an eyeshadow brush. I want it for like a nice nose contour to get nice and precise, and that's what I use for my nose contour today. And honestly, I really like it. It's really soft. It works so well. It blends out well. It's very precise. It's not too loose and like flimsy that you can't get a nice defined line, but it's soft enough that you can blend it out. So been really loving this brush. And then I have this sponge. Sorry, everything's dirty. I could have washed it for this video, but I was like, I'm gonna use it again like literally in 10 seconds. So why? But this, I believe this is their defining spot. Let me look it up for you. I want to give you guys the proper name. So this is their highlight and contour sponge. So it comes to a nice point that's like easy enough to get like right in the inner corners. But then on the other side, it's like this like sharp edge, and it's great for baking. It's great for just getting the concealer right below your eyeshadow and making it very precise. So I've really been liking this sponge a lot more than I thought I would. I like it just as much as I like my Real Technique sponge, and I really like that sponge. So that's saying a lot for this guy right here. We're done with all the makeup items, and then all that I have left are like skincare and body items. For skincare, I had done a whole entire skincare regime video, but since then I have added a couple products in, and I'm going to show you those products right now. And they've honestly, some are very similar to the ones I had before. Others are more affordable options, but I've been really liking them, introducing them into my skincare routine. I feel like my skin has been looking very nice lately. Let's show you if I didn't have this on. So one of them is this Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer. So this says it acts as a moisturizer and a mask. I never use it as a mask because I'm just like, that just sounds silly. It just sounds like you're reaching to make this more than it is. It's just a beautiful moisturizer. And I got this in place of my Vichy moisturizer because that one ain't cheap. And I just want to try another one, because as much as I like that one, it's so hydrating that you will feel it the next day. And I prefer that in the winter time. And I preferred it in my last house more so than my new house, because my old house was very dry. So it was great for then. And now that I'm like in a house that's not as dry, I don't really find that I need that much intensity. So if you're like a dry skin girl and you're looking for a real intense moisturizer, I would recommend the Vichy one. If you want something a little more subtle but still very hydrating, I say go for this. This one's very beautiful. I use it on my face, I use it on my hands, you can use it on your body if you want. It's more affordable, but it just feels so nice without feeling greasy or anything. So yes. In my other skincare video, I showed you that I was using a Biore charcoal face wash, and this is basically the same thing, except for This is the one in the orange packaging, like this here and this here. And I think it's because there's citrus in it. It doesn't actually say anywhere that there's citrus in it, but when you use this one, it literally feels like tingly, like it's trying to wake your face up, and I really like it. I like it more than that one. So I've just been really into this face wash, and I would say give it a try. The next product I have is this Jergens moisturizer for wet skin. So this is an in-shower moisturizer. The one thing I hate doing the most is moisturizing my body. It is so boring, it takes so long that I never do it majority of the time. If I did it like once every a couple weeks, that's it. This is so much faster. You just, once you're done your shower, turn it off, you put a couple pumps of this in your hand, and it just goes on your body so fast because your body is wet, and you can use it in the shower. And this I actually do use every day because it's already there. I'm already there, so why not? And it locks in moisture. It does actually feel really nice, and I think it moisturizes my skin. I still look moisturized the next day, which is awesome. So yeah, if you're looking for a moisturizer that is just so quick to put on, no effort or work at all, Jergens, a lazy girl's dream. So this I got in my recent Ipsy bag, and I have been using it for like the past week and a half, and I have been noticing a difference. And this is the Mint Pear Rose Hip Night Serum. So I don't put this all over my face because it is the oil. I just put it on places where I have, what am I pointing at? You can't see anything. I have a full face makeup on. But any places that I have acne scarring or like dark spots, I've been using this. And I've been really noticing a difference. So yeah, and I just looked up online to see how much it costs, and I was like, it's like $40 for the full size. Of course, that stuff would probably last me forever because I use so little of it, but I'm gonna finish this first, and then we'll deal with that in the future. Last item is my body mist, and I got this from Old Navy, and this is in the scent Sweet Cream and Honey, and I love scents like that, like vanilla scents, very warm scents almost in a sense, but I'm really not into floral. I like fruity, I like vanilla, honey, stuff like that. So this is perfect, and it's a nice light body mist, so you're not gonna be being punched in the face like perfume. Like perfume, I just feel like it just gives me a headache. It's strong, it smells artificial, I don't like it. I like body mist, so this is a great one, and it's from Old Navy. So that concludes our video, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I have been loving this month, and things that work for me, I hope they work for you. And if they don't, let me know what your favorites are this month, and maybe I'll check them out. Yeah, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!